Hello and welcome back to Prax Art Gallery. Today is day 10 and I am drawing a cat. So for a cat drawing, it's there are two things which is very prominent. One is the eyes and second is the fur. So for eyes, I'll be giving more detail over here. For fur, I'm still, learning. So we'll see how it goes. For eyes, I'm using dark charcoal pencil because the darkness which is expected cannot be achieved through the graphite. That's why I'm using the charcoal pencil. Now I am using 2B pencil to shade the remaining part of eyes and further I will blend it. As you can see, I have marked some of the fur direction to guide myself that in which direction the fur should go, and then accordingly by using those direction I am slowly drawing the furs. I hope you have liked this drawing, and if you have liked it, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.